for joining us for Targetti enLIGHTen. This video product demonstration is on the Duraflex Range. The Duraflex Range is a flexible extruded silicone linear light with uniform direct view emission. It is available in various versions and ranges for ideal flexibility. The entire range is suitable for use in both indoor and outdoor applications. There are two profile versions available within this range, both the architectural version with a flat top quadric profile, or the Duraflex Neon with a round domed profile. The Duraflex architectural range is available in three different versions. You have the top flex, the side flex, as well as an all-encompassing Duraflex twist product. Again, the architectural series features a flat top emission. The side flex version is available in 27, 3, 35, and 4000K static white color temperatures, as well as static colors in red, green, blue, yellow, and orange vibrant static colors, and a dynamic color changing RGB. It features silicone end caps that allow for translucent emission and has a bend curve radius of 2 inches. In the Duraflex top product, as you can see with emission the opposite direction, you have available the same color temperature range, but your minimum bend curve is 6 inches. Both products feature a 1.97 inch trim radius and have 114 degree optics. In the Duraflex twist product, this is best used for following fluid shapes in contemporary architecture and is able to obtain unprecedented effects. This is available in static white color temperatures of 27, 3, 35, and 4000 degrees Kelvin and has a bend radius of 2.36. It is able to be field cut at any length, which allows for that complete freedom in achieving those fluid shapes. The Duraflex Neon range features 3 different versions: the top flex, the side flex, and the new mini Duraflex Neon. Within the Duraflex Neon side bend, you have the same color temperature ranges at 27, 3, 35, and 4000 degrees static white, and static color red, green, blue, yellow, and orange, as well as a beautiful dynamic RGB color changing option as demonstrated here. You can see that there is no pixelation within the fixture silicone, and you have a bend radius of 2 inches. This fixture series features opaque white polycarbonate end cap and leads, and has 147 degree optical distribution. The Duraflex top bend features the opposite rotation, the same optical distribution at 170 degrees, the same color temperatures and end cap profile, but has a bend curve of 6 inches. Both the Duraflex Neon and side bend feature 1.97 inch segmented distances and cut zones. The mini Duraflex Neon is a very slim product and ideal for highlighting details or signage. It is half the size of the standard Duraflex Neon and features a little bit more flexibility within color ranges. You have static white colors at 3, 35, and 4000 degrees Kelvin, and have rich saturated colors red, green, blue, yellow, orange, and a cyan and purple additional options. It can be field cut at any point, which allows it to be completely perfect for signage elements, and features translucent end caps to have a little bit of transmission outside of that. It has a 120 degree optical range and a 2.5 inch minimum curve diameter. All of these products have several lead options available. You have a straight lead as demonstrated here. You have your bottom lead and your side lead options. There are several mounting options available within this series. you have your transparent clips that allow for transmission outside of the clip on the top. You have your bottom fixing clip, as well as a rigid aluminum profile, and of course, a flexible profile, to which I like to call the spinal profile, that allows to have that freedom and flexibility with a rigid profile backing. The Duraflex Range is an ideal solution for all of those direct view, flexible, curved environments. We hope you have found this product demonstration helpful. Please be sure to visit us at targetti.us for the latest information. Ciao!